Sydney's property market has remained shaky this weekend. The city saw more auctions than in the past month, but clearance rates continue to tumble. Real estate agents declaring now is the time to buy.
The gavel strikes in South Granville.
Sold to you, sir. Congratulations. Well done.
A 5-bedroom house with an unlivable granny flat out the back going for $1.21 million. A return to what's traditionally been the Sydney norm, paying top dollar for property.
A bit higher than I expected, yeah. So, but I guess it's a fair price, but who knows what's happening next.
It's been a bumpy few months after the federal government's negative gearing and tax reforms. Domain data reports only 46% of Sydney homes were sold at auction last weekend, compared to 72% the same time last year. Investors backing off, some first home buyers waiting for prices to drop more. In Preston's today,
unfortunately, right here today, we won't get a result.
A sold bid of $900,000 wasn't enough to get the deal done. The first home buyer was looking for a bargain.
I think on the older market it would have worth more than what it's selling for today.
Clearance rate still shaky. Ray White sold just 36% at auction today. But despite this, agents are saying the market is starting to stabilise.
Over the last 4 to 6 weeks, there's been a bit more confidence, a bit more traction.
Never ask a real estate agent if now is the time to buy. That's like asking a barber if you need a haircut. But with prices dropping and auction crowds shrinking, now actually might be the time to buy.
It's counterintuitive to think there are less buyers now looking when prices are much more affordable than when they were looking when prices were higher.
If you see your family living in it in the next 20 years, I think snatch the deal.
Rex Quayle, 7 News.